How to turn on BeReal notifications. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up BeReal, and once you do that, you want to click on the profile picture at the top right, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner, and here from the settings section click on notifications. You will land on this page right here, in which you will be able to turn on and activate the BeReal notifications. You can turn some of them on while leaving the others off depending on what you need, or you can turn all of them on. And once you are done, click on save button at the bottom to save the changes. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can activate and enable the BeReal notifications. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.